Hey guys, what's up? Stephanie, the English coach here from EnglishFullTime.com. In this video, I want to give you guys just a quick pronunciation tip, okay? And all of you Spanish speakers out there are really going to need this, okay? Because you guys are the ones that I see most frequently messing this up. And the tip has to do with the B and the V sound in English, okay? So I hear like a lot of people say, oh, that's very good. And I'm like, berry? No, berries are something that I eat. It's very good. So you guys, this is such an easy fix. It really is a very easy fix, but you're probably going to have to practice multiple times and, you know, practice in front of a mirror, practice until you retrain your muscles, okay? So that you can consistently pronounce the B and the V sound correctly in English because they're very distinct. In Spanish, it's like the same sound. That's why it's so confusing for you guys in English. But let me show you how to do this, okay? The V sound in English. Just leave your top lip up here. Don't put it down. Leave your top lip up there. Put your teeth there on your bottom lip and go, okay? Very, very. So if you can just remember to relax your top lip up here and not bring it down when you say the V, very, you're going to be able to say it perfectly, okay? And then when you say a word that starts with B, like boy, that's when you have to bring your lips together and you throw the air out of your mouth to burst open your lips and you can say boy, okay? Boy and very. Let's do a few other words just so you guys really get this, okay? Book, bake, barn. There you have some examples of the b, okay? Now back to the V, very, vortex. Okay, now I'm giving you guys words that are a little too complicated. I wanted to keep this simple, but I actually didn't even prepare a list of words for you. I just wanted to give you this tip. So now you guys have it. You guys, it's simple, okay? Let me know in the comments if this makes sense and go practice, because now you know how to do it. Now, hopefully I've made you aware of this mistake. Check and see if you're doing it. Boy, very, the sounds are very different, okay? All right, have fun with that and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe too if you're new here so you get more videos from me. And also go ahead and check out the description because I often include extra tips there or resources or links to other things that I think you might find helpful. So go ahead and check that out. So for more English stuff from me, you can also go ahead and follow me on Facebook and check me out at my website, EnglishFullTime.com. All the links are in the description. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.